can't be able to feed ourselves. In the interim, we are looking at ways that not only the illegal foreigners want to eat our market, even the private companies who have got all their malls in our space, they're doing the very same thing. So we've got malls every corner that we're able to do it. What we are saying is that we're not going to struggle. Our people are very resourceful. So our people are ready to be in those. Just give us our space and you will see. Do we not have someone that will do our hair? We have a lot of them. Do we not have anyone that will do our nails? We've got everything in the very same South Africa. The only thing with us is that because of our frustration, we set back as if we are lazy, we don't know what to do. It's a lie. We've got everything that we require. When the fucking Buddha came to my place and showed me the back of the castle, which I am feeling with you. Let's work in your house. You must feel the pain. I was supposed to be resting on my bed, but I can't. My children are out getting drugs. They cannot find a job because they were going for the cheapest. Because of you. Because of you. 89, I was working in Limpopo. There are hotels. There are hotels built. They are hiring Malawi. They are hiring. Where are the South Africans? You will have 100 jobs, but all of those jobs are being occupied by foreign nationals that do not have ideas. Where is your sympathy? Where is your humanity? Where is your humanity? Why are you killing this country? Yes, you can kill us all, but you won't find joy. What was taken by the blood, it shall be taken again by the sword from you. Because you are forced to take this country. We were dancing in our tears up until today. I'm pleading to each and every one of you who is hiring these people. These illegal foreigners, stop it. Stop it. Stop calling our children because they're not coming from you. Me and you, Baba, we know. We used to be your mates. We used to be your mates. But today you are standing there. That kills me.
Gama Eliega So asikaze sisho vele asizukuphatheka kabi ngoba thina we were trying to make it convenient ukuthi abantu bakhuluma into yodwa basale sebehlangana. Yeah, so akunankinga bangaphuma asikaze sisho. Oh, okay. And that's something. No, sinela sense ukuthi ngala sacela kumaphoyisa ethu sicela ukuthi sizofuna asikaze sisho ukuthi asikaze sisho vele sifuna ingane ngoba vele sonke sanike aku-access ukuthi nomhlangano kanje siyajabula no it's fine angithi masihlanganisa amandla kuzozwakala sizositshela khona manje ukuthi ngikhulumeni funani bese sihlanganisa amandla khululeka sisi nakhona ngiyalalela check namanje ngihlonipha naye inkosazana mina ngingenela nje police station angidinga ama appointment yeah ngihlonipha naye ingane kade nasebenza naye no singayivuka meeting la besenza ukuthi laba akade benamahlangane namaphoyisa sorry laba
So now, what is missing? So
we didn't get the...
Yeah, but asikhulumeni iqiniso. Akuvumelekile ukuthi emhlanganweni amaphoyisa ngithanda communication wawo. Amaphoyisa fanele phela uyabona abafowethu masifuna ukuwina fanele sikhulume iqiniso. Amaphoyisa ano communication wawo. And then kuba no scriber uma kune meeting akudingeki recording kuba ne scriber ascribe ningaba no scriber wenu babe no scriber wabo napho and then when they communicate thina we share the communication yamaphoyisa because mina angifuni ukusebenza nabantu abazonda amaphoyisa ngoba akuwona wonke amaphoyisa angekho right so amanya awekho right amanya right so asingathatha amaphoyisa amabili senze police system yonke sithi yabona so ke amaphoyisa maye share information ekade sibele meeting nayo if usponsor wa share angayona we go and dispute that ukuthi akusikho lokho esikhulume ngakho emeetingini nakho esikhulume ngakho usibanibani usiphawule wathi usibanibani waphawula wathi so ngithi ke mina asihlanganisene amandla as long as ningekho politics as long as ningeyona politics I can work with you because politics ngiyayenyana ayithithelana isikhathi
lokunyeke baba nazi njengoba kumanje
kodwa ngeke ungithole mina
kanje sizinjani manje
cha angithi nizochazela thina manje nizochazela thina la ukuthi nihambe kanjani ngaphakathi and then thina sesizo set up meeting through amaphoyisa nomphathi station because vele la iMayfair kufanele kusetshenzwe la yeah kufanele kusetshenzwe la so ningatatazeli mina mawusebenza nama wethuki awubulali lutho awuntshontshe awulwi namuntu senza icause yethu until kuzoze kuzwakala sinazo indlela thina zokwenza ukuthi kuzwakala laba abantu bofika bagcwele la iMayfair bazohamba khululeka nje nehlisa umoya
manje masingena nje ngaphakathi
asizungena ngaphakathi nizophuma nina nizo-addressa thina ngoba thina besizosupporta nina sinayo thina meeting sizobe sesiyasho-ke thina ukuthi meeting ibithi yeah sihlanganise kanjalo
nabo sebebuyile
abaphumeke beze kithi angazi-ke singama kuphi endaweni ekahle engezokuphazamisa isimo ayikho indawana noma iparki noma something noma abantu singabamisa against ucingo eyodilane isebenze yabona ntombi singakwazi abantu ngoba mangizoyibhala phansi kusasa weyiphika leyo nto ngoba ibhalwe yimina phansi so bayanako ukuthi sibashuthe which means ukuthi i-private lesiyenza lapha ya asifune thina kwenza private sithi abantu bangaphanda bahambe lezitolo zamakula ezibulala izingane zethu masivalwe siphele asifune South Africa so sifelwa izingane zethu lezi ingane zethu ebhenyiswa ama drugs lama Nigeria
So sifuna ukusizakala ukuthi bonke labantu laba abahambe ngoba bazobulala iSouth Africa. Okubhlungu-ke mina njengoba ngizalwa ubaba washiya mina wathi ngiyoqhubeka ngakho umuzi wakhe. So mina mangifa manje ingane zami ngizothi ngishiye ubani mina ngisukane ngifile nami sengifika kobaba mkhulu ngiyothi ngashiya abani mina uma ngibukela ingane zami zizodlala ama drugs lawo. So sicela ukusizakala kakhulu amaphoyisa nje sicashela ngesithupha into esifunayo sifuna ukwashutha inkulumo lomhlangano esizohlala nabo sifuna ukuvidorize ukuthi siushuthe bayala ukuthi siushuthe asazi isizathu isiphi abasinikeza isizathu inkinga esinayo la ngaphakathi kuseyileyo sisalinde bona ke basayohlala bona bodwa separate ukuthi babonisane ukuthi abavuma ukuthi sibashuthe ngoba beze la ithina sibacelile uzohlala nabo phansi sikhulume inkinga esinazo. So ke manje kumele basibuyisele i-feedback izikhalo zethu abayithatha basenze i-feedback ukuthi ithini way forward i-decision ithini yileyo nje silwa nayo kuphela.
Mhlawumbe bese bephetha ngokuthi umhlangano bangabisa ubeka ngezinto sokuthi manje akwenzeka ngale nto engifisa ngayo mhlawumbe ama-actions ezizowathatha from lapho mhlawumbe nathini
akhona lesifanele siphelele khona ugovernment uhulumeni uqobo lakhe fanele simlande sizokhuluma naye if umthetho wase-South Africa awukwazi ukuresponda lamaphoyisa lana bakhona abantu ababaphethe siyabaza amaphoyisa abaphethe sifanele sidlulele khona si-organize bona uzohlangana nabo ukuthi sibuka kuthiwa umthetho e-South Africa ufuna ukuvulwa kodwa sibona nanka amaphoyisa aphula umthetho asifuni-ke kube kanjalo sifuna ukuthi sikulungise kusela kungakafinyeleli lapha phezulu angithokoze nami ngiyabona
When the fucking Buddha came to my place and threw me in the back of the castle, today I'm still here. I'm pleading with you. Let God work in your hearts, each and every evil person that is here in South Africa, to change their ways. Because believe me, what we are feeling now in South Africa, I pray to the living God that one day you must feel the pain that I'm feeling. I was supposed to be resting in my bed today, but I can't. My children are out feeding bloody drugs. They cannot find a job because they were going for the cheapest. I've got an HR specialist, but she's sitting at home today. Because of you. Because of you. Because of some of you. 89, I was working in Limro Park. There are hotels. There are hotels building. They are hiring Malawians. They are hiring Zimbabweans. Where are the South Africans? You will have 100 jobs, but all of those jobs are being occupied by foreign nationals that do not have IDs. Where is your sympathy? Where is your humanity? Where is your humanity? Why are you killing this country? Yes, you can kill us all, but you won't find joy. What was taken by the blood, it shall be taken again by the sword from you. because you are forced to take this country from us. We were dancing in our tears up until today. I'm pleading to each and every one of you who is hiring these illegal foreigners. Stop it. Stop it. Stop calling our children lazy, because they're not coming from me and you, Baba. We know. We used to be your mates. We used to be your mates. But today you are standing there. South Africans are lazy. That kills me. That kills me before it goes to my child. Stop it. It's enough. Feel the pain South Africans are feeling. We wouldn't be dancing here today if everybody was fair.
Police station wasinganta bafiki. Ngoba nafuna kuphendula abantu bese police station. Hey bakithi. Ihlonono zethu lezi. Hey. Hayi asicele bona ke besinikeze umqondo bese sisho ke bafowethu ukuthi thina kanti size ngapha sithi sitshela ukuthi unomhlangano la. Sithi sizokweseka ngoba akuwenza umqondo endaweni eyodwa ukuthi kube nemhlangano emibili kufundeni ukuhlangana webantu bakithi noma nibona nje siyeke thina ukuhlangana ngale sagijima seza ngapha ingoba besifuna ukuthi ungahlukwana endaweni eyodwa imhlangano ibe emibili inhloso ibe iyodwa bashona aphi pho manje umdadewethu
ngithi ngoba ngomunye ophuma phakathi sanibonani ngiyaphila nami cha inkinga esaseyingqinamba la ngaphakathi fana umeeting usuhlalile fana mhlawumbe abe sewuphetha manje asikwazi ukuphetha umhlangano bathi abafuni ukuvideoizwa lo mhlangano lo singawuthethi fanele subhale phansi which means ukuthi lo nto efana nale wrong ngoba into esizovumelana ngayo nabo nayo la bazoyiphika kusasa bathi bona kubona ababhala la so manje kufanele sivideoize inkulumo yethu nabo nesivumelwano sethu manje ke nje simiswe lokho umhlangano sesidividekileke amaphoyisa sayokhokha wodwa nabafowethu ke laba ama-leaders leDuna sasele phansi usabangwa nje igama elilodwa lokuthi kuvideoize kuphela leyo nkinga esisenayo la ngaphakathi
indawo mongena lapha nje egedini kunendawo ebhaliwe lapha the rights of admission reserved so leyo nto leyo isho ukuthi awukwazi ukungena ngaphakathi bese wena ufuna ukwenza ngendlela yakho mongena emzini wendoda kunemithetho yakhona ngifuna kubuya imoto le kuze sizofuna kubuya imoto yamkhathi izomalana ngibele phezulu abantu bekwazi sizoyi-adressa kodwa le yakhe kodwa into emqoka nje kufanele sonke sibe nayo emakhanda ile nto yokuthi kufanele kuhlangane zonke lama organizations akhona kufanele ahlangane akhulume ngazilo but kuyabona-ke ukuthi abanye banezinye iy'nhloso ngoba uma kufanele kuhlangane bakhala ngokuthi hhayi ngake ngabizwa i-ATDF kuyangibiza nje ngizoyelekelela namhlanje isibuyele yaba relevant phela i-ATDF ibisishona phansi ngoba kancane kancane kucosulwa ngumuntu oyedwa uyathengwa njalo oyedwa uyathengwa uma ngithi ngizolekelela uthi omunye hhayi bekungafanele nibize uphakela le kuyalekelelwana la emhlabeni kuyalekelelwana la emhlabeni yonke into onayo awuyikhandelanga awuyisungulelanga yona ngisho amagama owakhulumayo wawezwa kumuntu ngeke uvele uqhamuke nelakhe igama elisha la manje lento yokuthi nje abantu ubona ukuthi nkosi yami babulawa yilento okuthiwa i-inferiority complex lento yokuvele nje umuntu abone ngathi mayisephakathi kwabantu yena kalutho wofana nami ngisho ngingangena phakathi kweingakanani izikhulu yimi indoda ngizazi mina uyabona kuke kusho lokho kungabantu lokho okugcwelela ku social media kuthi ungasho phakela ukuthi mina hey fusekani mina ngiyindoda mina ngeke ngisho mina mase ngihlangene nale ntombazana ukuthi thina singamadoda fanele ngingasho ukuthi mina ningazongidakelwa ningazongidakelwa mina ngiyindoda mina ngizazi mina ngithembe nase sami isikhwili wangibona uphethe isibhamu iphathwa nazo igoma mina ngiphatha ngiphatha nawo udonkana unqumo indaba inqamuke ejuka azohamba amakwelekwele weingane zakwethu ngiyanitshela mina bazohamba phela la imayifela uyabona njengoba bevalile basaba ubani ngoba basaba nina njengoba bevalile besaba nina yini ke bangukuthi nihluleke nini ukuvalisa laba bantu ingoba phakathi kwenu khona nihamba nabemini nithi niyovalisa abantu fike kuvunyelwana ebusuku abuye yena athi ayikhululeka vula wena ngizokuvikela into emnandi yazi ukuthi into emnandi yini uma sasifaka ipressure ngempela bayambulala lona owenza njalo abulawe yibo bathi usudla imali yethu kakhulu wena manje usufuna ukuvimba thina bembulale thina siqhubeke sibe khona ungabadayisa abantu bakini uphambana nemvelo mawudayisa abantu bakini uphambana nemvelo Hello siswami ngiyaphila mama wena uhlala ngaphansi uzakudaza inkala phapha
impela baba abakaqedwa umhlangano and ngendlela engibuka ngamhlangano usufile ngoba bafuna ukuthi singarekhodi
hayi sizoyilungisa ikhuluma lezo angithi mana benze bafuna nenze intando yabo kuphi mana kuphi police station
la ngaphakathi
Yeah, police
police station
yeah kodwa mawufika endaweni yomuntu awukwazi ukufika endaweni yomuntu bese wena uyadictate ukuthi akwenzeke kanjani so mawufuna ukwenza into oyithandayo umuntu bombizele endaweni yakho yabo yeah that's my advice
ngenhlonipho enkulu baba ngicela ukuphendula
Yeah.
sicelile ukuthi sicela ukuthi yonke into ezoyenziwa irekhodiwe kubhalwe phansi
yeah kurekhodwa ngama video
yebo
kunamaphoyisa
abavumanga
akuvumelekile ngenzela ukukusiza akuvumelekile
angiphiki
asidingi ukurekhoda siswamise ngila mina manje ngizobambisana nani asidinge ukurekhoda sidinga ukuthi senze into econsistent senze into eqondene nomphakathi engaqondene nama personal egos it's not about personal egos into yomphakathi le and we need to be consistent masenze izinto sibe neqiniso futhi you can't record amaphoyisa ningabona amakwerekwere obedelela amaphoyisa akuvumelekile you can't record amaphoyisa you can't even take a picture with amaphoyisa ayasithanda lawa nje obeshutha nathi you can't even take a picture with iphoyisa lifake i-uniform because kusasa uzovuka uvela kumadlanga commission bese kuthiwa iphoyisa nalo liyingxenye yaleyo nto le so angifuna siqale sidlule lapho kuqala ukuthi ba right mabethi singarecord irecord amaphoyisa ano communication nani futhi niyakwazi ukwenza wena communication through uscriber wena and then you compare i-communication yamaphoyisa ne-communication yenu and ama-minute asuke khona on both sides that's a record ima into ingenzeki izogcina yenzekile nikhumbule phela ukuthi le problem esibhekene nayo South Africa is 32 years old so you can't solve it in one day yeah so relaxani right ba ngane zakwethu umhlangano wethu uzoba u15 minutes kuphela okay ngiqeda ukukhuluma nazi izingane zakithi nenduna yami la ike yakhuluma ngifuna siqale sifundisane so that singaxabani nabantu okungafanele sixabane nabo niyezwa sikwejwayele lokho bafowethu umuntu onenzondo ahlala ekhaya umuntu ozonda iphoyisa ahlala ekhaya ngoba asizukususa ifocus yethu ekutheni sifuna kuhamba abantu bokufika bese siyolwa namaphoyisa that's a diversion asifuni ke leyo nto leyo thina sifuna ukuthi siqondene nabantu bokufika yonke into esikhulumayo ama social issues abawashosis asendaweni iwona ufune beqondane nawo singasuki siye emhlanganweni ingane zakithi ezinhle kangaka sihambe siyobanga ukurecord umhlangano ingaphumi isolution sibanga ukurecorda siyazeya angithi niyabo ukuthi imiswe into encane kanjani imiswe into nini ningayi-understand ukuthi iqiniso you can't record amaphoyisa ningabona abantu mabephula umthetho but you can't record amaphoyisa uma iphoyisa livele evidweni nifuna livele libonakala lona lizenzela umsebenzi walo by mistake livelile njengokudlula egaraji uthenga amanzi ubanjwe inkunzi uvele evidweni ngiyabona ngicela ukuthi sifocuse njengamanje masiqeda la ngizoba nomhlangano nani nodwa mina I'm happy to come on board kulezi inkinga eninazo silekelelana but iqiniso lithi this is not your house so you can't lay the rules my house my rules so awukwazi ukuthethisa umuntu umthethisela ukuthi ungabe ukuthi umrecord endaweni ongayona yakho phela that's a private property you can't record umuntu lapha because you can use it nangendlela engekho right yabo yeah so ngicela sehlisa umoya kuloko se right ngiyabonga nduna yami akuvumelekile ukurecorda uyabo yes ngenzela ukuthi nawe ugezeke kahle anginicindezeli ngoba ngizwile bekufakazela abanye la bethi hayi ubugebengu njoba bengafuni ukurecord ubugebengu akekho umuntu ongeza ukubanjwa manje wengane zakwethu akekho umuntu manje owenza ubugebengu ngisho mangathiwa makungathiwa God forbid umphathi station uyaganga ngiyanitshela akekho umuntu ongeza ukubanjwa manje sukela lokho siqale lento yokuhambisa abantu bokufika akekho umuntu ongeza ukubanjwa so yikho sincenga thina sithi asingaqondani namaphoyisa akube ngabafowethu ogangayo uzoyivelela abafowethu ogangayo uzoyivelela lezi into lezila esingakucela nje emaphoyiseni ukuthi amaphoyisa ayawazi umthetho othi umuntu okufika akakwazi uku-own ispaza shop akakwazi uku-own hardware akakwazi uku-own i-car wash akakwazi uku-own i-saloon akakwazi uku-own i-cash and carry akakwazi uku-own lamabhizinisi akakwazi ukuba ne-Uber umuntu okufika akakwazi ukuba ne-Uber akakwazi ukuba netekisi umuntu okufika akakwazi ukuqashisa ngamathende uyabo khona omunye ngimfice lapha Kempton Park masijike lapha esijoyina ukuya khona udayisa email niyazi email lolu uchatho lolu gaqa phezulu ufaka amanzi bese uyachatha hawu madoda sebezobe besidayisele nezinto ezasungulwa yithi niyabona so ke ubona ukuthi umonakalo ungakanani and wena uzosuka wena ufocus ekuxabaneni namaphoyisa kanti amaphoyisa a compromise nawo by their leaders so kufanele sibe sensitive fanele sihambe kahle thina sihambe ngandawonye mina nje ngiyanitshela ayikho into engena kuyona ingalungi lenkinga eninayo nithi nayo manje trust me 30 minutes mangiqeda ukukhuluma nalabo abantu 30 minutes sizobe sesisolve ngokuthi sibe nama solutions ukuthi sizoya kanjani phambili ebese yabo abafethu lento ukuthi mawusebenza ulandelela ukuthi usebenza kanjani singakhuluma okunye namhlanje sikhuluma okunye kusasa sikhuluma okunye asilandelele niyabona mina lokhu ngaqala lento ngathi abantu bokufika bahamba kwaNongoma sasuka sayolundi bahamba olundi 30 from 30 to 5 bazobe behamba kwaCeza uyezwa la namhlanje sizoba nomhlangano la eThokoza laba babentshontsha umfana lo wakwakubheka siyakhona masuka la siyoba nomhlangano nomphakathi wakhona bazohamba nakhona ngeke ushaya umhla ka15 August ngoba akudingi ukuthi silwe akudingi ukuthi sintshontshe akudingi ukuthi sibulale izitolo webafowethu awukwazi ukufika uthi lesi sitolo saleli Bangladesh sidayisa ama chips abolile abulala izingane niphinde nisuke nina futhi nihambe niyothatha wona lama chips niye nawe endlini zawo niyowadla that's a contradiction asikwazi asimela sibize nabo abafowethu amaphoyisa sithi maphoyisa sicela nimela siya videorize ke la maphoyisa for evidence sifuna lo muntu akhiphe zonke impahla zakhe ayithatha hambe nazo nibuka ngoba asifuni nithi sithathe impahla zalomuntu that we can do ngoba suke senza ubufakazi bokuthi abantu bengathathi into zomuntu bethi bafuna hambe okwesibili ama security companies ngijabulile ngibonile ama security companies maningi akhona la ama security companies are protecting these people maphoyisa they are breaking the law actually into sizoyenza we will need to have the database of all these security companies sizowathatha siye kwaSira siyokhuluma noSira ngendaba yawo ngoba kuyicala ukuprotect isigebengu umuntu ongene kulelizwe ngokungekho emthethweni uyisigebengu so even if as a security company you can't protect that person okokuqala okwesibili they are guarding these shops the spaza shops which the law is very clear ngayo ukuthi you can as a foreigner you can't have a spaza shop small and medium businesses are reserved for South Africans so you can't as a security company accept that job ufanele umtshele nje ukuthi hayi wendoda angifuni ukufaka inkampani yami ekulokuzeni masisuka manje sibizo abameli sithi sicela bemangalele lama security companies they will be in problems even if they can defend themselves they will lose money that they were not supposed to lose in court by employing their lawyers also to go and defend them in court so siyacela maphoyisa umthetho wase South Africa we are not violating any law we are saying amaphoyisa sicela sisize sicela laba abantu asisafuni manje ukuthi sithi ababoshwe sicela ukuthi bethathe impahla zabo behambe sicela nje ezitolo bethathe impahla ningalokho nibabopha nithi ba illegal because they are costing the state 15,000 rand every month behleli lapha for 6 months so asinandaba whether unamaphepha noma kanawo amaphepha they can't own these spaza shops Niyangizwa ukuthi ngikhuluma kanjani ngama security companies angishonga ukuthi ama security companies ayizinja angishonga ukuthi bayimgodoyi angishonga ukuthi abanamsebenzi walutho ngithi they cannot protect ama legal foreigners they can't guard these shops ezingama spaza shops ama hardware nani ngoba into ezokwenzeka sesithi isikhathi sikhuluma nama security companies bacabanga ukuthi banezibhame eziningi kunathi abayeke nje okulula ngoba abantu bakithi lama security lawa ama security abantu bakithi nangi ngiyambono wakithi nje lo angikwazi ke mina ngiyosebenza umuntu okufika bese ngifike ngidibana nomuntu wakithi sekufanele ngilwe nomuntu wakithi akukho right even amandiya nabelungu abanama security companies abala eSouth Africa ngithi they are also our brothers and sisters those are South African companies that are paying tax to a contributing to the South African economy but we can't have igoma zabelungu namandiya bezokhukhumala lapha phambi kwethu thina sinansizwa thina asinansizwa nje mina nje akunantsizwa la emhlabeni nje uma ngabe umuntu wrong kimi uba mncane bengaka uma right ngisho umncane ungaka uba mkhulu bengaka niyezwa akunansizwa nje la emhlabeni izwe leli ngathatha isinqumo njoba ngimela amasoma lahlele emabhilidini angibuka ngezibhame nezipopolo njoba ngikhuluma nani anginandaba mina ngiyoba ihloze einganeni zami ngeke ngibulala izwe ngenxa ukuthi ngisaba ukufa sengiyoze ngibulawe ngikhinywe uphuthu lapha ngithi ngahla ngibanjwe uphuthu ngife ngazange ngililwele izwe so sicela ama security companies ngabakithi niyasizwa isizulu wemadoda sicela ama security companies angagadi abantu bokufika nisize nalezi insizwa zakithi ezabomdabu ukuthi zazi ukuthi asilwi nama security companies we are not against you getting jobs from these properties but i-property mama phoyisa i-property akuyona eBangladesh i-security company mangabe phuma lo waseBangladesh kungena umuntu wakithi usayophinde athola umsebenzi kulo leli bhilidi kodwa mayiselwe nomphakathi uzokwenza njani ngobani abazovuma ukuthi le security company iqhubeke isebenza niyabona ukuthi ama security companies are causing damage to themselves they are causing damages to themselves because they are breaking the law and we can't stand aside and look sicela ukuthi bafowethu singalwi as South Africans we must never fight we must stand in one position stand in one direction and face the problem as South Africans singathathi imali siyibeke phambili ngoba imali izophela nani nina insizwa lemgumpu yemnqolo egada abantu bokufika la hlukanani naleyo nto leyo hlukanani ngoba kukhona ama individuals are busy nawo aba extort imali from ama illegal foreigners stop that nonsense na ama security companies ayaqasha una 45 manje awukwazi uyenza i-security company i-security certificate ukodwa utshwala ukuthenga njalo ngeweekend njalo ngeweekend uthenga utshwala uhlula ukuqokelela imali kuze kube u4000 uye kunawo abelungu namandiya bekusize ukuthi how to go about in getting a security certificate niye ukuphuza utshwala nibe useful empilweni nilwele izwe hawu yini emnandi uyazi mina khona insizwa la uyazogatshela ubugatshela khona insizwa kuthiwa usuke esishozini ngoba ubhuti wami uyingqwele yami emakhaya so uyafika ke ngoSeptember ngo2023 uyafika ke senza inyama unebirthday yakhe sikwenza inyama usenginika isavana khona isavana umgqomo ongaka ubosibuka lesipike sekhaya yazi phuziyani ke namlento sekumnandi phela lapha kudliwa inyama lapha kumnandi nami phuziyani ngayiphuza icishe ngayigceza yaba uwafu khona lengukumbe engaka le ofica beyibeke lapha eSimongo bedansa nayo ngawe ebusuku ngawa ngapoqoza ispeaker sami ngiwiswa ile yanto le ngagcina lapho ngangiqala ngagcina yekani weinsizwa ukuphuza utshwala has no positive contribution in your health utshwala nje has no nutritional value in your body. Stop drinking every day. Let us focus in making sure that this country finds its footing and ibuyele izwe lethu libe ilelizwe lethu elalilihle hayi ukuthi izwe bafowethu libe ilento eliyona izwe selaphenduka oplastic egoli iHillbrow kwakuyindawo bafowethu ebalulekile umhlaba wonke owawufisa ukuza khona namhlanje kuhleli igoma zamadoda angagezi avela avuke nje ahlale eminyango ilokhu inwaya amasende lento isuka ingene endlini ihamba yolala izwe lethu sizolibuyisela lapho kufanele libe khona into kufanele yenzeke ukuthi nina ningabantu bakithi kufanele nihlangane ningabi nenzondo ningawazonda amaphoyisa ningawazondi lama security companies awasebenze imisebenzi eqondile angavikeli amaphoyisa angathathi imali amanye mama wami nkosami angathathi imali kubantu bokufika ayasilimaza so ke ilokho ke maphoyisa ebesizokusho la insizwa nomtsizwa development foundation bafethu isebenza namaphoyisa isebenza nomasipala isebenza neinduna isebenza namadoda siyanivumela ke nina nize ngoba anifune kusala ndawo phela anifune kusala ndawo nifuna ukuhlala nikhona siyavuma ke nize kodwa thina thina njengensizwa nomsizwa Development Foundation simele ukuzovusela i-moral regeneration lento okuthiwa ubuntu bafowethu kwazeke ukuthi umuntu wesifazane uyavikelwa kodwa naye umuntu wesifazane ovikelwayo fanele kuvikelwe umuntu wesifazane owazi ukuthi indoda yini ngoba ngeke umvikele uvikele uhlanya phela uyabona uhlanyo lwazi ukuthi yilo kufanele lube phambili ngeke ulivikele inhloso yokuthi thina la kwinsizwa nomsizwa Development Foundation uma sithi umuntu wesifazane kufanele abe ngemuva thina sibe ngaphambili senzela ukuthi ma abantu bokufika bekhipha itshe lapha bejikijela ngetshe lifike lishaye endodeni lingashayi kumuntu wesifazane ngoba mangahle nje kuphuma itshe lapha lifike lithi bha ekhanda kumuntu wesifazane sikhona singamadoda masibuyele emakhaya kusafanele sibize ngamadoda wemadoda manje ke laba abantu besifazana abanenkani bepolitiki basi ukuthi kuyalingwana cha thina silingani nani thina khohlwani nje nilingana le kupolitiki nilingana le kupolitiki ngabe niyayizalisa phela kube siyalingana ngabe uvela uthathe ngapha ufake ngapha kukhula ingane uyabona sicela thina ukunisiza sinibuyisele isithunzi njengabantu besifazane sinithande sinivikele nisihlonipha nisazi ukuthi singamadoda insizwa nomsizwa Development Foundation izomela lokho futhi insizwa nomsizwa Development Foundation iyomkhipha upresident walelizwe uzophuma ngelinye ilanga asisabi ukusho lokho ngoba sisebenza ngoNkulunkulu senza into eqondile asihlangani asithathi ipolitiki sikubuke ngokwepolitiki sivumela wonke umuntu uthabela naye nje insizwa yaseZimbabwe okuthiwa uMbezi eboshelwe ukuthi isukumele izwe lakubo insizwa fanele leyo insizwa indize kuyi-status every day ngomhla ka4 kungenzeka kube khona imashi enkulu ezobe iqondene naleyo insizwa kwenye indawo lapho kuyobe kuhlangene khona abaholi sebezoyithatha mashinyane ke bekhipha ipost yayo bejike behluleke ukuyenza ngoba make sasho nje sizokwenza imashi bagijima phambili bayoyi-applyela bejike behluleke ukuyenza ngendlela thina esenza ngayo ileli iviyo lensizwa nomsizwa lohambisa abantu bokufika yonke indawo iSouth Africa yonke yithi esizohambisa abantu bokufika bazokhokha kuze kuphela imali lapha abakhokha khona bawugcina behambile abahambe ningashintshi nime endaweni eyodwa ningoni ningantshontshi ningaluthi ungakudla ukudla okubolile ukufica indoda siphethe inqwaba yoshekasi kade iyontshontsha lapha kuyaluthwa uphethe inqwaba uhambisele izingane ayinikwe ingane into entshontshiwe niyabona izingane ngoba zingamasela kanjena izingane zethu zazidla izinto zokuntshontshwa angithi ithi science lokho okudlayo uba yikho isho njalo iscience ithi lokho okudlayo uba yikho ubokuzwe mawudle kakhulu inyama mawuyochama kunuka inyama umchamo unuka inyama ngoba uyinyama wena manje mani intshontsha lapha nithatha nizonika izingane funa uhambe uyoxolisa ingane ethu ingane yami yimi ngakukhanda ukuthi ube yisela wakhandwa yimi ngake ngathenga ntshontsha isinkwa lesi mama hey khona umama bantshontsha lapha ko Shoprite ngama tight yey bawuthathu ngane yami usemncane nje wena usemncane nje yini webakithi upoloni bawuthatha ubandi unjalo efrijini hey sifike yikho ke mina ningibona mina nje angihle emzini yabantu angidli nje emzini yabantu hayi ngoba ngisaba ukudliswa kodwa ngokwenkolo yami vele ukudla okungalungiswanga yima ngikudla ukudla nje okungaprepare ngaphambi kwami angikudli so ngisaba yona lento ukuthi ngizohlupha olona obuya kwi-tight ngoba phela umuntu upholona ungaka usho ukuthi maye ushutheka la khona lapho odlula khona ngithi kushumneke lapho upholona ubanda uzoshise ufike lapha lokukhamisa bekutatazelela ngama-tray bezokunika upholona ubuye never izwe lingalunga ngenhlonipho izwe lingalunga ngokuthi sibe nomoya omuhle ngaphezulu kwakho konke izwe lingalunga ngeqiniso mina nginjena bafowethu ungafika kwandabandaba nginje ungangithola kuphi nginje uma ngabe ubhedile ngulungisa manje uma ngabe wenze kahle ngoncoma manje ngiphila iqiniso ngakukhetha ukuba indoda and ngizonimela angimeli nina ngimeli izingane ezalwa yimi ngoba ingane yami ngelinye ilanga mina yami ingane angifuni ihambe ifaka uSnoop Dogg eyami ingane ngifuna ithatha isithombe sami isifake esikipeni igqoke mina ngoba ngiyinto yokuqala neyokugcina eyake yayibona enhle empilweni yayo sonke sizinsizwa kufanele senze njalo emadoda kunzima ukuthanda izingane kunzima kwesinye isikhathi uthi uyithanda ingane yakho kube khona izinto ezikuphazamisayo uthola usebenzi uthola umama waya akafuni nayo uthola kuneyinkinga eziningi niyezwa bafowethu uthola unawo namandla okuyondla akubiza imali ukuthanda ingane yakho ukuthanda ingane yakho akusikho ukuyitshela ukudevelop uthando lwayo enhlizweni mina ngadevelop uthando leSouth Africa ngayipractice lento ngayitshela ngathi iSouth Africa ngizoyilwela iSouth Africa ngizoyithanda anginazi nonke la kodwa nginendaba nani
Correct.
anginazi nonke la kodwa nginendaba nani that's why ngingcwaba noNgoma ngitravela 500 kilometers 600 kilometers ngizosiza abantu engingabazi abanye abalapha bayangithuka nje kuFacebook bathi hayi leliqaba leinduku la kwaZulu hayi asimfuni umZulu mo asimfuni umZulu asimbahle angithi ublo asimbahle umZulu mo asemani hey izwe ngelikaNkulunkulu ngizolungisa izwe ngilungisele wena mina yeah awuyangibahla awungibahli mina ngiyakubahla so ngizofunda sengiyeza duma sengiyakhuphuka kanjani yeah ngiyakhuphuka ngiyabahla manje okay induna zaseKatlehong Tsakane Thokoza Thema hayi sizobuya eceleni sizonicela eceleni mase siqedile ngithi abaholi abakhuluma phambi kwabantu abaholi bayabonisana khona inkinga ufuna senosho kusha amaphoyisa kusho insizwa okay hayi sikwenzeni sikulungisele ngiyacela insizwa manje sizoba no WhatsApp group ukhona empeleni WhatsApp group kodwa sicela ukuthi insizwa uWhatsApp group zinikezwe mazikhona kanje ukuthi nawo WhatsApp group zifake ku WhatsApp group zikhona kanje ngoba iziyangena iwengu emagroupini ziyangena iwengu kugcwele amakwelekwele groupini kuthe qhu yes ahluleka na ukungihlonipha athi kwesizulwini umuntu maye unkosi khona kuthi unkosi uma uvusa umuzi kuthiwa uvusi maye uphakela umthakathi kuthiwa uphakela akushiya ukuthi umthakathi ayangiyisa amakwelekwele bafowethu niyazwana ave bengidelela abantu bokufika bafowethu yezwa bethe imthakathi nabantu base naba angazi ngoba umthakathi unzima uphakela ulula uthi phakela kulula ukuthi mthakathi uyayiswa nje nawe lento inesisindo lento lena hey mthakathi okunye akusasho ukuthi akwenze ngathi vele kuyabheda vele uqonde yona lento ngempela kusho ngoba ngiyakuhambisa ukuthi ngumthakathi vele so ke induna ke sizoyicela zonke induna zimeceleni laba odadewethu lezingane zakithi ebekade zila epolice station sizohlangana nabo manje sikhuluma imarch sizoyenza la sizwileke ukuthi kukhona abantu esithi njalo make sathi sizokwenza imarch la eMayfair bagijima beyo apply fast be-applyela ukuthi imarch bafuna ihambe kwenye indlela khululekani mina ngi-apply ke mina ingane zakwethu amaphoyisa ayazi amaphoyisa ngishoda ngemali nje ukuthi kube nginemali abe ngihlale ngiwaphi imali ngoba make ngathi ngizoba sendaweni ethile nje ngofica segcwele setheqo angi-apply mina umthetho uyasivumela ngicela ukunifundisa umthetho uyasivumela ukuthi uphakele umthakathi athi sicela ukuhlangana eMayfair ngaphandle koku-apply umthetho uyasivumela kodwa umthetho uthi ke akwenzeke isiqiniseko sokuthi wena obiza abantu uzokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi kuba nokuthula akulimali lutho ngoba make kwakhona okonakalayo umuntu oboshwayo yilo sukade biza abantu yingakho ke kusiphoqa ukuthi siphathe kahle sivikele labaholi bethu abasilwelayo ilokho ke bafowethu sizoba nomhlangano ngiyabonga ingane zakithi uNkulunkulu uyasithanda webafowethu ukuba akasithandi nathi ngabe sinama earthquakes nathi ngabe futhi uNkulunkulu nize nibone ukuthi lelizwe izulu ngempela leli why bonke abantu befuna ukuza la asivikele izwe lethu ke, asivikele izulu lethu ke bafowethu, asivikele izingane zethu ngoba yonke lento abayibhala lapha ezincwadini bekhomba amaKhenana, bekhomba amaZulu, bekhomba yonke enye banamanga. Yini beshiya amaZulu abo? Ngisho bona impela laba bakwaIsrayeli abathi izwe labo ngeyilo ngqoyeli kaNkuluNkulu bala bagcwele lapha kolokhozi. La egoli lapha yipho koSandringham nakoSandton izwe lapho sekuyindawo yabo kwabona kusafuna sibabheke ngoba izinkunzi malanga zama drugs yizo lezo. Ayiphoyisa ngisho iphoyisa livumelekile ukungena kula ama complex. Fanele libe ne warrant. Iphoyisa lo yeke ukubopha igebengu lambe leyofuna i warrant yokubheka nje ukuthi nihleli kahle la. Nibonile bangaka abantu abatholakele lapha kulabantu bakwaIsrael. Amantombazana athunjiwe ayodayiswa phesheya. Aphuma kuzo lezi indlu kuthiwa iphoyisa alivumelekile ukungena khona. Nani mantombazana ake nime phela ngeke nime nibuyele nayo ekhaya. Hawa ke nime bakithi hawa. Mama phoyisa.
Legenda le hayi.
Mama phoyisa. Ayikomi ingane zakithi ngathi ziku freeway. Hey. Ayikomi ingane zakithi ake nime wengane zakithi uyazi ukuthi ezinye izinto ziyaphazamiseka nje ngokuthi empilweni yakho ube nomuntu ongazi direction yakhe ukuthi ibheke phi. Kuphazamiseke yakhe impilo. Nisibona siyifocus sinjena. Usuku nosuku ngazi uyitshela ukuthi angikhathali, ngiyakhathala. Ngiphushwa umsebenzi ngemuva ngoba kulula ukwenza lento engiyenzayo, ngiyenza ngeqiniso, ngiyenza ngifocusile. Ngeke ungithole mina isho ngivuse ebusuku, ngeke ungithole mina. Uma ungabuza ukuthi silala nini nalezi insizwe. Thina sike sisuke eAst London size la eGoli. 19 hours.
Abafethu manje.
Sizosebenza sifike sigijime nawe la sihlabelele umgogodla ungasebenzi kade sihlele emotweni for 19 hours. Kodwa sifike sikwenze wena ubuyelwe ithemba ngoba uma thina singehla wena uzoba nenkingi. uNkulunkulu anibusise, uNkulunkulu uyalithanda lelizwe, uNkulunkulu uthanda okuhle, kweseke okuhle ngaso sonke isikhathi. Uma umuntu uvuka ekseni wenze into enhle, uNkulunkulu uzokusupporta. Ngeke sigwilike sonke, kodwa uNkulunkulu asikhulekele ukuthi okungenani sikwazi ukuphila, siqhubeke siye phambili. Kuyovela ngesikhathi esizayo. uNkulunkulu uyanithanda nonke, siyabonga bafowethu.
We have our people that are discouraged for some reason. Take a person they will find means. And number two, we existed before these people did. Yes, they brought convenience, as people are saying, the shops were there, but they are strategically here to take over our country. And there is no way we can be able to feed ourselves. In the interim, we are living in a place that not only the illegal foreigners want to eat from our pocket, even the private companies who have got all their malls in our space, they're doing the very same thing. So we've got malls every corner that we are able to do it. What we are saying is that we're not going to struggle. Our people are very resourceful. So our people are ready to be in those. Just give us our space and you will see. Do we not have someone that will do our hair? We have a lot of them. Do we not have anyone that will do our nails? We've got everything in the very same South Africa. The only thing with us is that because of our frustration, we set back as if we are lazy, we don't know what to do. It's a lie. We've got everything that we require to stand.
Ngicela nina neinduna ngicela induna zihlanganise eqala ngizoza kuzona ngicela ukukhuluma nalaba. Sesiqedile wengane zakwethu imashi sizoyimemezela. Asisenze ukumasha ke manje, sizoyihambela nje siyibuyelele ngokweindawo zethu, Kodwa makukhona abahlala lapha abathi amagwinya bawabhakile endlini. Asabe phela sohlamba okonje ngeke na uflower lo uthengwa kubo laba bantu lapha.
Ungafika phela se-diploid ngapha
Ya induna lesihlanganisile. Oh Dipslot. Oh ya ngiyabona iDipslot ngale ngaku freeway. Ya.